Hi class, today I'm going to make a short video to review some if statements which involve Boolean statements. So I'm going to start with an if statement, add in an else clause, and then put in an else if clause in there as well. So here, this program that's shown on the screen, it will run, but it won't do much. Find my mouse. And you can see here, I create a scanner object so I can get input from the user. Here I'm generating a random number between 1 and 20. So to keep in mind, this part here, so the next int command in the random class generates a random number between 0 and 1 less than this number. So that would be between 0 and 19. So if I wanted a number from 1 to 20, I just add the 1 to shift it. Next, I'm asking the user to enter a guess between 1 and 20, and I get the guess. So right now, this code will run. So I enter a guess. So let's see, I put in 15, but nothing happens. And that's why right now we have these warning signs. So if you hang your mouse over the variable, you can see that basically here it says the value of the local variable secret is not used. That's why you've got all these suggestions. So we're going to use them now. So we're going to check. Let's see if the guess was equal to the secret. So if guess, and the way we compare, recall in Java, is use a double equal sign. Is equal to secret, because a single equal sign is used for assignments like this. It assigns a value. So double equals compares two values. So if the guess is equal to secret, we could say, oops, remember the shortcut in Eclipse to print would be SYSO control space. Let's say, congratulations, you got it. 2 exclamation marks. So if I run this and I put in a number, let's say 10, there's no message. So that's not very nice either. I guess I didn't get it. So what you could do is you could just sort of say, if they don't get it, you can say else. So the else clause doesn't have a Boolean condition. So let's say maybe next time. And if I wanted to output what the number was, I could say the secret was, and then I put in the name of the variable. So just to review a print statement as statements as well. The stuff inside the quotations is literal, so will show up exactly as is. And if you want to attach the contents of a variable, you would say plus and then the name of that variable. Now I'll need a closing curly bracket. Oh, I'd already put one in. And now I'll try to run it. So at least I'll know what the answer is if I didn't get it. So I'll put in 10. The secret was 9. Oh, so close. So now we may want to give the user a hint, whether it was too high or too low. So instead of simply an else condition, I could add in here, let's say else if, let's say the guess was less than the secret. Then I could say something like, SYSO, your guess was too low. Maybe next time. And then I may just add what the actual number was. And then we could say, so if it's not too low, then by default it's too high. But what I could do is I could add another else if statement that says else if guess is greater than secret. Or I could just leave it as is. And I could say, maybe next time, let's say, guess was too high. And now if I run this, and now when I run it, it will automatically save for me. And then put a number in, 9. Maybe next time, guess was too high. It was 1. 1. Try again. Guess was too high was 2. What are the chances? We could talk about that in another course. So this is the guessing game using if statements. So what I'll do in my next video is add on to this and let a user guess multiple times using a loop. That's it for now.